put on another playlist. Because this playlist is about to end. Maybe this? What is in this? Yeah, 21 Savage. That's a good shit. So quiet. I shit you not. Without the DB killer, it sounds more than it did in there. And that's without the echo. Why did I go this way? Oh well. This was not a good playlist. I'm gonna have to stop again to change the playlist. God damn it. That's the problem with using these daily mixes and stuff from Spotify. You get bamboozled a lot. You think, oh, it's a good playlist that has a few good songs, then no. It's trash. Like the first song was good, and then it's a lot of fun. So I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna change the playlist once again. No. Ooh, watch out for the curb here. You don't want to smack the curb. Da, da, da. Yeah. Oh my God, bless you. Thank you. Oh, no problem. Gotta get out before the bus. No problem. Now I gotta keep the distance because I want to go fast through this roundabout. The cars, most people, they don't go nearly as fast as I want to. So I have to create separation, and then I can come in like this. You know. And now they have, there's a bump here, right here. I don't know what happened there. It's like, yeah. I drove there yesterday, and it was boom, car. What? I could see it before, and still. It caught me by surprise. I didn't know that it was a bump. I hope it's not intentional. That's kind of dangerous to put a bump right there. But I don't think so. It might be some, yeah, whatever. Some like tree maybe. That's a tree growing. Maybe next week there will be a tree in the middle of the road there. That would be very bad. They will have to shut down the road for that. No doubt.